Welcome to this tutorial on CommonJS modules in Node.js. Today we'll explore what CommonJS is, its importance, and how it's used in the Node.js ecosystem. CommonJS modules allow developers to write modular code that can be easily reused and maintained. CommonJS modules provide several benefits, including improved code organization and maintainability. A CommonJS module consists of three main parts: the module definition, exports, and imports. Exports are values or functions that can be accessed from outside the module. Imports are variables or functions that are brought into the module from other modules. Let's create a simple example of using CommonJS modules in a real-world scenario. When using CommonJS modules, there are several common mistakes to avoid. To get the most out of CommonJS modules, follow these best practices. In this video, we covered the basics of CommonJS modules in Node.js. To further your understanding of CommonJS modules, follow these next steps. Thank you for watching this video on CommonJS modules in Node.js.